Alright, hey guys, how you doing? I just want to say thank you to Mr. Willis 5719, and he has done me a great YouTube community service / favor, which is just awesome, and it needs spoke of. He saw my video where I was having trouble with the carburetor for the go-kart and went out of his way to proactively do some research for me and found the parts that I need to fix that carburetor. Yeah, we're just gonna go for a little quick spin, and I think I'm gonna take you with me via the helmet cam. We're gonna try that. Oh crap, boys, we ran out of gas. Oh crap, we ran out of gas. No, we didn't. Why did it die? Yeah. Ran out of gas. Alright guys, here's the story. I was over there running around and ran out of gas. Or so I thought. Even though I thought I had a little bit of gas in there, I knew I didn't have a lot. I didn't think I was going to run out. So I walked back over here and got the little bit that I had left here in the garage in 2 cans, put them together, walked back over there, and put them in the machine. I've got the gas turned off right now. I'm letting it run to where the carburetor's dry. That's why it's stumbling and protesting. It's just about done. Well, it wants to, doesn't it? Alright, so here's the rest of the story. Alright, so here's the rest of the story. So I put that little bit of gas in there and it would start up, and by the time I got in it and give it gas, it would die. And so I'd get out and I'd start it, rev it a couple times, it seemed okay, I'd get in it, start to give it gas, and it would die. So I'm now scratching my head, I'm thinking, I guess I'm gonna have to push it home because I got problems. So I pushed it about 10 or 15 feet. I thought, wait a minute, let me try one more thing. So I turned the choke on and started it back up and revved it a few times. It sounded fine. So I hopped in it and put my foot on it and it kept running. It didn't die. And I drove it home with the choke on. Which that puzzles me. I'm like, why all of a sudden it wants to have the choke on? Has there been a little bit of a temperature change, or did something I do when I rebuilt the carburetor change? From, you know, because you saw me ride it for a couple of minutes, and then all of a sudden now it wants to have the choke on. So tell me what you think about that. Give me any feedback or ideas or suggestions or comments or other smart aleck remarks. And leave them in the comments below. And I'll be happy to look at those and see if we can't come up with a solution. But for right now, I achieved my goal. I wanted to get that carburetor cleaned out. I wanted to get the machine running. And then I wanted to turn the gas off and run the carburetor dry so I don't have that problem next time I try to start it. Which essentially, that's what we've just done. So, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching this little episode. And I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you all very much. I'm glad to have you on board. Thanks to all my regular viewers, and to anybody that's new just stopping by, thanks for coming over, you know. And special thanks to Mr. Willis for getting me those parts. Steve, I really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Your ace is in my book, buddy. And want to give just a quick hello to an old friend of mine who, Larry, if you're watching this, how you doing, buddy? Just an old friend of mine. He just got his first computer, and I turned him onto the channel so you can see what I'm up to. We used to work together years and years ago. Anyway, yeah. Okay? All right. I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye. She's Landy.